Yo, it's me, Deadcarpet, and this Deadcarpet energy drink reviews, and it's 11:57 a.m., and it's Saturday, September 7th, 2019. Anyway, a few days ago, I went to my local grocery store, Homeland, and I was shocked to find some new energy drinks there. These are in glass bottles, so they're like the discontinued Uber Monster and Monster M3. But anyway, today I'm going to be reviewing the Ice Mint Blizzard with Lemon Dragon Tail energy drink. Yeah. Look at that, and this flavor sounds very interesting. Ice Mint Blizzard with lemon, so it's probably gonna be like mint and lemon. But yeah. It's like a brownish silver lid or cap. It's like, I don't know, it looks silver, but when I look at it in the lighting, it looks like a little bit like brownish. So I don't know. The bottom's the mold number. Okay, it shows a Dragon Ice Mint Blizzard with lemon, 12 fluid ounces, 355 milliliters. Contains 180 milligrams of caffeine. Not recommended for children, pregnant women, people sensitive to caffeine, or taking medication. Bottled under the authority of Orca Beverage Incorporated, www.orcabeverage.com, dragontailenergy.com. It has SKU. It's like a textured label, and it has like a dragon scale pattern. Looks pretty cool. Dragon Tail Energy, nutrition facts. Servings 1, serving size 12 fluid ounces, amount per serving, calories 160. Total fat 0 grams, 0%, sodium 25 milligrams, 1%. Total carbs 40 grams, 13%. Total sugars 40 grams, includes 40 grams added sugars, 80%. Protein 0 grams, 0%. Has some recycling stuff, please recycle. It has the other ingredients. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole bottle. So I'll let you see it right quick. I already showed you the top and the bottom, but I will. See, it has like a dragon scale pattern on the background. I don't know if you can really see it with my lighting, but you know. Okay, that's pretty much the whole bottle. So now I'm going to shake it up a little bit, open it, taste it, and give my review for it, so hold on a minute. Okay, I opened it. And the color, it looks like basically like the dragon on the front, like a bluish, silverish color. You can't really tell though because it's a brown bottle with my lighting and stuff. But you know what I mean? It's very bubbly. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like bubbling. But anyway, the smell, definitely, definitely lemon with mint. Okay, actually the smell messes with me. It's like tart and tangy, but oh god. It's like the pickle soda. It smells like interesting and weird and good at the same time, but also repulsive. Because when I smell it too long, it starts to make me where I need a cough. Oh god. Definitely very mint and lemon. Very citrusy. But yeah, it smells like weird. Just saying. Nosage. But anyway, and I'm gonna try it, so here goes. Ooh. 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 It almost has like a burning, like filling in the throat, like when you try drinking like alcohol or something, or wine. Yeah, it gives me that burning sensation. It's probably because of the mint, because it has ice mint, you know. It's Ice Mint Blizzard with lemon. So yeah, it's like, has a nice citrusy lemon flavor. It's like a little sweet and tart, a little sour, but then the aftertaste you get that mint. It's not really You don't really taste the mint. You feel the mint. Like goes down your throat and burns a little bit. It's definitely reminds me of like alcohol or something. Very interesting. And I don't really like this one. I like the one I reviewed yesterday better than this one. But still very interesting. It has a cool design. It was okay prices, $1.98 at my local grocery store Homeland. Energy-wise, it has 180 milligrams of caffeine, but it doesn't have any B vitamins or anything. So energy-wise, I'd say it lasts about 3 hours, about 4.5 hours of energy at the most. The flavor, yeah, it's definitely like a sweet and good lemon, but that mint, though, and the aftertaste makes it burn a little bit, just saying. I don't really like it. Probably give the Ice Mint Blizzard with Lemon Dragon Tail energy drink. Probably give it like a 7 out of 10. The lemon part's good, but the mint part and the aftertaste and stuff makes it burn and stuff, and I don't like that, so you know. But yeah, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. My next review is going to be another Dragon Tail energy drink. Stay tuned for that review. Stay tuned for more reviews, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace out. And bye.